Alright, welcome. Today we shall be looking at how to clear cache on your browser. So basically, using a web application like .pro requires you sometimes to clear cache on your system. The essence of it is probably maybe there was an update to the software. So in order to remove the old script and the old settings that has been programmed on your system, because when you open the software for the first time, it downloads all the scripts and saved all the settings. So when a new settings is made, when a new update is made, it's required you clear your cache on the system so as to remove those old settings and can download the new ones. To do that, it's simple. Just click on your top right menu icon on your browser when you're logged in. You click on it when you open your software or when you open your Mozilla Firefox. I'm doing strictly Mozilla Firefox. You click on this, you go down to settings and you can type CACHE or you just type CAC, which is cache. So you see this, you see cookies and data, you can clear data. Once you click on clear data, or better still, you can just click on this delete cookies and site data when Firefox is closed. With this, anytime you close your browser, if there is a new settings that has been updated, the system clears out the old one and updates the new one. But in this case here, you can just click on clear data and click on clear. Once you've cleared this, you can go back to your software tab and then refresh, so it downloads all your new data. So like I said, you can also set it to always clear whenever you put off your browser by clicking on this delete cookies and site data when Firefox is closed. So that's how you clear the cache on your Mozilla Firefox.